This is Nick Pearson and Michelle Pearson for Lab 2 for Programmable Controls. So for this lab, we did our 2-button, 2-light, and a sensor. The sensor we chose was a reflective sensor. It just senses the change in reflectiveness and alters its state based on that. So what we got going on here is we have all of our hots right here. So we got a hot coming in here, 24 volt, hot coming in the middle of it, 24 volt to both of our lights, or our buttons, and then to our valve division up here. So moving on from that, so our right button is in X1, we got X2, sensors in X3. This is all on the PLC. All of our inputs, these are our inputs. So then for our outputs, which are our Ys, we have our output 1. So Y1 is our top light, Y2 is our bottom light. Our cylinder extend is Y3, and our cylinder retract is Y4. So moving from there, we'll turn all of our stuff on. So we'll wait to turn that on until we have everything else on. So we have a power supply, 24 volt, 5 amp. Turn on our hydraulic pump, and then we'll turn on our PLC. So what we should see when I press this button, we should see that top light turn on and the cylinder head extend until it is interrupted by this sensor. So press the button, top light turns on, cylinder head extends. I'll then put my hand there so simulate the reflectiveness. There we go. So that turned off when it was interrupted. This is our interrupt light, so that's what was supposed to happen. So we know that there was an interruption and the light's now turned on. So now to turn that light off and to make the cylinder head come back in, press this button. So button pressed, but light turns off, cylinder head retracts. So now it's fully retracted and our system is ready to be used again.